Welcome to the demonstration of the operation of the electronic reverse auction model. The auction is the main stage of the procurement during which the participants are given the opportunity to submit their price proposals following the established rules. As part of this stage, an electronic reverse auction is held to determine the winner of the procurement. An electronic reverse auction is a process of reducing the price of bids by participants, which is conducted in 3 rounds. During the electronic reverse auction, each bidder is given access to information about the prices offered by other bidders and the opportunity to reduce the price of their bid. Why the reverse auction? Suppliers compete to sell goods to the procuring entity at the lowest price. This mechanism significantly reduces the cost of product or service and allows buyer to compare prices, qualifications, and other factors at a glance. Transparency. Before the start of the auction, the number of submitted bids is not disclosed. Information about participants and all submitted documents will be opened after the auction has been completed. When auction model is initiated, auction page where users, observers, can monitor the auction progress is created. The system provides the following user roles: customer, auction organizer, supplier, auction participant, and observer. Let's start working with the auction model as a customer. Functions available to the customer: creation of an auction, view and edit created auctions, view auction results. To create a new auction, follow these steps. Log in to the system. Go to Create Auction page. Fill in the name of the auction, the description of the auction, the expected value, the minimum price reduction step, the currency, the date and time of the auction. After filling in all the fields of the form, click on the Create button. Once on the auction page, the customer can view such data as type of the auction, status, date and time of the start of the auction, starting price, minimum price reduction step, description of the purchase, and if necessary, the customer can edit the mentioned data. The right side shows the countdown to the start of the auction. The electronic reverse auction starts automatically on the date and time set by the system and consists of 3 rounds. Until the beginning of the auction, the number of submitted bids is not disclosed. Information about the participants and about the bids of each of the participants is revealed after the auction. The minimum step of lowering the bidder's offer between rounds is set by the customer during the creation of the procurement. Having created the auction, the customer waits for the moment of its beginning. Now let's see the operation of the electronic reverse auction for suppliers. How to participate in the reverse auction as a supplier? After submitting a purchase offer, you need to wait for the auction where the winner will be determined. The auction starts automatically on the date and time set by the system. You will learn about this from the letter that will come to the email. After receiving the letter, follow the link in the letter. Click Yes to confirm agreement with the terms of the auction. After following the link, the page will display the countdown to the start of the auction and to the next auction events: start or end of the round, the next bid of the participant, etc. The auction consists of 3 rounds. Before the first round, the initial bids of suppliers are displayed. No bidder may see the names of other bidders until the end of the auction. Depending on the number, auction participants will be displayed by the names: participant number 1, participant number 2, participant number 3, etc. Your offer will be marked U. Neither the customer nor other suppliers can find out the names of suppliers before the end of the auction. The first goes bidder with the largest amount of the offer, the last the one with the minimum amount. The last participant sees all bets placed on him. Each participant has 3 minutes to lower the bet. When it's your turn, a field for changing the number of offers will appear on the screen. The field contains a tooltip with the amount of your bid reduced by the minimum step, but you can enter a lower amount. Enter a bid and click Place a bid. You will have the option to change your bid within 3 minutes. There is no limit to the number of changes. After 3 minutes, your last bid will be published. Once published, you cannot change your bid. After each round, the bids of all participants are displayed. The third round concludes the auction. At the end of the third round, the results of the auction are announced and the names of the suppliers' companies are revealed. The auction phase is coming to an end. The purchase goes to the stage of the winner qualification. To ensure transparency and openness of procurement, an anonymous observer can view the auction process.